Hey guys, welcome back to the MAGA family channel. Today we are at Dollar Tree right now and we are going to be looking for some fidget toys that we can find. Let's go. So basically this is this is also a fidget toy, but we already have one, so we're just gonna use it. We got some stuff, let's go check it out. Okay, so we are back home and I'm going to show you guys what we have gotten. Random thing. Okay, so here we have little chicken, and it's the squeezable kind, and let me take this out real quick. Here's the chicken. I have a debate. This is so funny because I feel like that's the beak, right? Okay, I'm right. Oh, here we go. So here. Here's the egg yolk, rubber, and then here's the slime. So basically slime, it's a story, you put it in the ball and then put it back inside here. Ooh. That's so jiggly. Alright, here we go, Shove it back in there. It's stuck. Alright, here we go, there we go. There's a similar chicken where you squeeze out the stuff and it comes like, you know, like squeeze out like this. This one's a little different, but this is a cool kind of different. Here's the...
Looks like a fried egg. It smells good. It's cold a little bit. Here's your egg.
Thank you. Oh. Oh. Okay, so we got this guy from Dollar Tree as well. It was a little weird when we grabbed it, but his eyes pop out. So this is a Stress Man phone stand. So he's a phone stand, you know, and this cleans the screen. That's what it says on the tag.
Oh.
Yeah.
So it's not actually a fidget toy.
It's not a fidget. We call it, it's basically a fidget toy. I mean, you could use it as a phone stand, you know, so your phone screen goes right here. And then his hair cleans your screen. Right, next one. Okay. So these are the Crush Petz. They're like these little jiggly dudes. Jiggly files. So here we go. I'm gonna just open it up. Alright, so we have a hedgehog and a bear. Probably. Really similar. Then we also have a second pack. A seal and an elephant. Oh, the elephant's cute. So I guess he stands up like that. I would have assumed like that. I think the other half of him is missing. Well, here we go. These guys are these are really hard, but they're also really jiggly at the same time. I like this one a lot. This one's nice. Like, look at that. Also a really nice blue color as well. Just like so flat. Like a pancake. It's just... Alright, next item. This is so weird. Okay, so we got a couple of these guys.
I think Tintin put his eye on a chicken.
The chicken or the fuzz dude?
He's claiming the chicken, I think.
Okay, so we got a couple of these guys also from there. We got the We also have an alligator as well. Oh, doesn't do that. Oh well. And then we got a hippo. Hippo, it's a hippo. There's air inside of him, not water, so it's pretty nice as well. Ooh. They're also really squishy as well. Alright, next up we got these springs. I'm gonna take them out. Alright, here we go, right here. Whoa, okay, here we go. These are kind of fun, these are like quite fun to play with. Alright, next one. Oh, okay, so these are Braine teasers. I've never done them before. I don't understand how they work, but I'll try this one out. Alright, so this is the Braine teaser. You have to undo it. Come on. How did you do it? Mom tried it, she got it the first time. Yeah, those are hard to do. Alright, next one. Alright, so here's just some putty. Googly eyes. There we go. Okay. Okay, so the googly eyes, I guess, go in the lid. Wow. Alright. Oh.
It's a putty.
It's a putty. It's putty. It's putty. It still stretches if you go like super slow. It's cold as well, but it's so good. I like this one a lot as well. It's a nice crystal blue. Alright. Probably can make a bubble. Yeah, here we go. Alright, so these guys, okay, I've seen them everywhere. I'll show you how to work them. Alright, these are the guys right here. I'm gonna show you how they work. Alright. So you push down and boom! And they actually go pretty high. I can't like explain. Maybe 4 feet. I want to say 4 feet up in the air. They're so fun. Oh, that one did a couple front flips. Here we go. Here, let's try 2 at the same time. Ah! Oh no, I lost them. But they're still really fun. I say these are my top 1 for right now. All right, next one. It's a big dinosaur. So we found these there, which was kind of surprising. They're just like slow rising squishies. Basically. Okay. Look on the side. Alright. These are like just plain old squishies, but they're so nice and so like soft too, you know? Like, really soft. Whoa. Yeah, okay. So the last 2 are also slow rising squishies because this big bright parrot bird, whatever. It's a really bright one. Not as slow as the dinosaur, but it's still slow and really, really soft as well. And we got a small little fox, cat, tiger. I mean, it has its stripes.
Tiger,
probably tiger, yeah. This one's also pretty slow and really soft as well. They're all like really slow and soft. Oh, it's kind of cool to do this. It feels really like, you know, all squished. Yeah, these are cool. So you could probably find all of these in your local stores as well. And my top 2 favorite are definitely these guys, that's for sure. That's my top 1. And I want to say these 3 right here. They're just really fun to use. They're just really fun to use. Also, comment down below which are your favorite as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video and subscribe and click the notification bell to never miss a video. Bye!